Okay, how to create the users. We can create a user and we can assign a permissions particular database and particular object, whatever. If you want as a requirement, you can do that. Now, how I can see, first of all, how I can see the um, what are the users are there in our MySQL server. In this server, how means use, we have system databases, show databases in MySQL, show tables. In this we have a table called user. So many things are there. Describe user. Here what you required, it's huge. uh, Select host comma user and user, so many privileges, account locked, maximum. Okay, it's not required right now. See, in this I have a user called Scott, a root, and some other system related. I am creating a user. Create a user. Within this, within quotes, we have to give a username. User is nothing but Sharath at the rate of localhost mission name. And defaultly, it will be identified by local, identified by your password. This is also we have to give in quotes only. PWD, I'm giving shortcut given. Now I want to connect with this. How you can connect, but we don't have any permission. Just I will open a one more window, duplicate session. This is common. Now DBA root 123. This is common. From here, you -p. This is password is PWD. It's connected. It's connected. Can I create a database? Database, Sharath. Say access denied. Yes. Can I show? Can I give show databases? Yeah, see, I cannot able to view good and test DB, HRDB, only information schema. Information schema, you can see what are the tables or system related information. We can see that. Okay, like now I can give some permissions to Sarath. What I can give? Suppose I have databases, HRDB, something, a good and testDB. I'm giving a permission on HRDB. HRDB, you can give all permissions on particular. Grant all permissions, all privileges on HRDB. Okay, dot star. If I give like this, all Sharath at the rate of local host. Yeah, now you can reconnect or we'll try to see like this on show databases. Yeah, HRDB. Now HRDB, mm, show tables. One table is there. Select star from EMP. So many things. Truncate table. Table is EMP1. Table table name. Okay. 0 rows truncated. Select star from emp1. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, like this we can do, and I can create a table emp name character city where I can create. I can insert some values also. I can drop the table also. Drop table emp, sorry, emp1. It's done. Show tables. Only emp is there. We dropped emp1. Now the table, only one table is available on HRDB. Okay, like we can do some object level. Only I have a good database. See, use good DB. It's not able to access. Here, use good. Show tables. I don't have any table. Create table emp id integer name equal to character. We created a table. We can insert on this table, only on particular table I can give insert and select, like this also object level permission. Okay, how? Grant, select, insert. If you want to update, or you can give that, or comma you can give on good dot star Scott, sorry, Sharath the data local host. um, yeah, syntax I need to give 2. I missed out. Yes, now see, now I came to Sharath user show databases. I can see good also. Use good and select star from show tables. We can give show tables emp. Select star from emp. I can have given only select and insert into. I can describe this one. See, insert into emp values 100. Okay, insert. You can give insert, or I am giving now delete table emp table. See, I error delete from emp. Actually correct. Syntax is correct. See, delete from emp. It's deleted. Syntax is correct, but we don't have permission on particular table. Okay, we have given like this. You can do everything user level. And suppose I don't want that insert also. We have given only select star from emp. There is nothing is there. because they deleted there. Something. I given select also. I don't want to give insert option. I want to revoke. That is also you can do that. Revoke. Revoke. Insert on. mm, Database name is I have given database name good dot star. If I want to give particular table, okay, if I want to give only on insert on star means all objects. If I give good database name table name emp uh, from which user Sarath SARATH at the rate of local host. I didn't given star. There is uh, there is no such grant user Sharath and host. Wait, what happened? There is no employee table. I don't know. It's employee table or stars. Which table? Okay, no problem. And revoked insert. I think so. This is different database. Which database? Because it's not. It should not. Which table? Employee. Hmm. Maybe that database, some other database has been selected. Insert is not working on good. Okay, like this you can revert. Now, see how many connections. Suppose how many connections can use this user Sharath can connect. How many users can connect a particular, how many use in this user, how many connections you want to connect that. How you can see that how many connection means right click window, open windows, how many connections. Okay, how these connections will be working means there is a variable parameter, that variable parameter name called my.cnf, my config file. It's we'll see in coming classes what is the use of config file. And like how config file means, uh, see I see there is Sharath is a user, how many connections he can connect. First of all, how right click connections, how want to, first of all how you want to identify that. There is a variable parameters, like let's see, I will show some variables. Show variables like max underscore connections, which uh, connections. Okay, see that way something. If you forget exactly CO, like this also you can give. If you give like this, automatically it will pick some show variables. Which user? I mean, um, show variables, right? Variables. Yeah. Why? Because of it is wrong means I have given a spelling wrong on variables. See, VARIA like variables. Like this is correct actually. See, 150 fun connections you can connect. Okay, and how many connections means particular user you can see. One more query we have: select user uh, host max connections. You can give password. Yes, you will get some idea from MySQL dot user and field. It's showing wrong. Password field is wrong because older versions it has to be there. Will if you don't have, just we can give like this, we'll get some idea. Describe here, password expired is there column and password lifetime is there. That this is latest version, that data type is not working. Okay, what is this? Select user host. Here, see, here itself you can find out the from MySQL dot username. Max connections is 0, means unlimited. Okay, in parameter file is 160 maximum, but here it says unlimited, means obviously it will be connected or 160 connections. You can do that. Now you can customize these variables if you want to do that. Okay, you can customize while creating itself, all those things we can do that. I will show you it's with clarity in Workbench. Here also I will give you some inputs, like I don't want to give variable 160 151 is there, it is too much connection, but I want to avoid this in a parameter file itself. How you do that? Set global max. These things we'll see in depth classes, coming classes. Now 100, only 100 I can give, or 50, because people will be keep on opening the windows, the performance will be degraded. That is the reason they will keep max connections 150. Means total connections, this is like total connections, but it's not sufficient. I can increase this one. It calculates total connections 100. See, 100, it has been changed to 100 connections. You can do that. Now as a but I want to give particular how many connections for Sharath. I can give only 3 connections, 4 connections. Sorry, I can give that also. Here in command line, like these are all some basic things are there. But if you want to go with in more with the help of using Workbench, same thing in command line, create, alter, basic things, and alter session. If I want to password expire also, we'll do that. And alter user Sharath, I want to get expire on local host password expire. Okay, this is expired. Now see, yeah, now you can close it and open Sharath password pwd. It is connected. Main expire. It will take. We can give the profiles how many days it has to be expired. All those things. Okay. Now I will show you in Workbench some other more additional informative that it will be useful for you. I'm starting Windows machine. Now I will show you in Workbench. Very easy, and you will get some more idea on that. We have some roles also, and that is very helpful. Okay. Now there is, this automatically your server server services dot, yeah, we got it. Opening Workbench. It's taking time. Here Workbench command line we have seen in Unix, Windows also same command line, but in Workbench we have very good features to do user management. I'm connecting root 123. Here also, if you want to see how many users are there, you can see that. And I'm giving a query called select star from MySQL dot user. See here, very good, because we cannot in command line. It is very difficult to select all columns. See root, I given a Sharath, host percentage. It is there. It is not like you should not like Yeah, shutdown. Yes, I have permissions. Null. I don't know why I don't have all permissions, because uh, I didn't given proper permission. Just I tested. I think so. Now I want to give some. I want to create a user and give some permissions. Same, same here also. Now I am adding a user. See, I can edit that. Okay, I can edit. Otherwise, I don't want. I am giving a new user. A new user is like hmm, um, some Kiran, local host, password KI or PWD, password PW, weak password. Okay, no problem. And apply. If you apply, he won't get any permissions. See, Kiran, he won't get any permission. Suppose how I want to connect it. In I want to connect here. Okay, not required. All just we'll see once. See, maximum queries. How we can do? How many in an hour? How many queries he can do? 10 queries, 100 queries. Just maximum updates, 100 updates. Maximum connections. Okay, maximum how many? 10. And concurrently simultaneously how many you need to connect? 10. Okay, administrative role. Here very good opportunity to do like a role, DBA role. He can do all maintenance, write permissions, process admin, user admin, security, monitor admin, DB manager, DB designer, replication. Okay, backup admin, all those things roles are there. Now like manual method also we'll do that. User admin, create user only. Reload means and process admin, process means C. Reload super, it's automatically selecting. I am giving DBA almost all. Okay, backup admin, event, lock tables and select, show databases, like this. And schema privileges, I don't want all those things. Schemas, I have schema. It is hanging. Okay, schema. I'm giving any like standard role, process admin, DB man, something I have given. Apply. Now refresh this one. Users, logins, where you can find out. Here, if you refresh this one, Kiran, local host, like this, you can see that. Here, now you can connect from user. This is a Windows machine. I have a tool, CMD SQL, MySQL. Okay, how I can set means here. This is directly it is connecting to the command line tool, client tool, means a root user like this. Root 1 2 3. It is connected. If I give exit, it will be going back. Okay, and now one more. Why it is not connecting? What is the thing? I will tell you. Root 1 2 3. Okay, and where it is connecting, where it has been installed. Program files, MySQL bin. This is the thing it has to run. Better you can set an environment variable. You can give variable name. I am giving MySQL. Variable value I am giving this one. We'll try. Okay, we'll see this topic. This one is later. Just environment variables, all those things. It will take time. I'm connecting the database with the user is who is that guy? Um, Kiran. Kiran. Save. Password is PWD. Here he can have some minimal privileges. He can see. He can create database. Database name is like iPhone. If you have permissions, you can create. Otherwise, it will throw error. Yeah, affected already exists. He created. Then use iPhone. Okay, and create table. Any table like this. He's having some how many he can see. We cannot see that. Kiran cannot able to see. Threads is 8 threads is running. Total connections is 12. This is server level because this is a server level. Controlled errors rejected aborted connections 2. Okay, connection limit is 100. See, I am in I am in Kiran user. I am in Kiran user. I cannot able to see. It's not highlighting. He's having minimum permissions. Just I think so. Server level also see it is throwing error. He cannot refresh. He cannot do that. User permissions. You don't have. So see, everything is throwing error. Maybe backup. Maybe I have given backup permissions. See, all errors. Okay, because of he don't have permission. I'm closing. Now see one. Here I connected with a root user. Root user, you can do connections. See, root user and all those things, privileges, status variables, and data export, stop, server logs, option file. Everything you can do from your root user. And like this, you can create a user and assign a role or assign a particular privilege as per your requirement. You can give create or alter. Otherwise, if you want to give only select, you can give on particular schema, means a database on database. If you want to give, you can give multiple databases as well. Okay, this is called user management. I think so. This is very small session.